My name is Harshita Bhojwani and I'm a student of Biotechnology Engineering third year. My idea is to create virus scanning glasses. Now these glasses can even be converted to smart glasses in future with the help of augmented reality and other such futuristic technologies. But over here, for the sake of simplicity, I'm only discussing the scanning aspect of these glasses. The basic reason why I believe that we haven't been able to stop this virus is because we are not able to see it. This virus is moving like wildfire and we are walking slowly behind it to stop it. And due to this vast difference between our speeds, we are not able to stop its spread. Now, if by some means we can see this virus and move along with it, tracking it at every step, then probably we can solve this problem. So that's where the virus scanning glasses come to the rescue. These glasses can scan any space, any person, anything for the presence of virus and can alert the wearer beforehand so that he can protect himself and others. The basic features or highlights of VSG are that its lenses emit EM waves, preferably high frequency radio waves or infrared waves, because these are generally used for detection purposes. Also, it would be having a small UV lamp to emit far UVC light, which is regarded as biologically safe. Also, these glasses would be having a night mode to guard the wearer when he's asleep and can't guard for himself. Like we use those mosquito repellent jets at the night time, similarly it would be working. Also, it would be having a miniature alarm that would ring when there is any nearby presence of the virus. These glasses would be working like any ordinary spectacle and hence they can be given any desired power. Now, the technology by which these glasses work is that whenever there is any detection of virus, a monochrome is set up on the entire background and only the virus gets highlighted with a different color. Also, there is an automated zoom in on the virus so that you can easily identify it. The top left picture shows how these glasses would be looking. As you can see, the lenses emit the EM waves. On the top middle section, we are having the far UVC lamp. On the ear rest, we are having the miniature alarm. The next picture shows how these glasses work. There is a monochrome setup on the entire background whenever there is a detection of virus. So the entire background gets colored in a single color and only the virus gets highlighted with a different color and also gets zoomed in for easy identification. The implementation in real life of this idea is that this idea can be successful only if each and every one of the masses gets access to these scanning glasses. That is, all the 130 crore Indians turn guardians for themselves. These glasses are as easily wearable as masks. Also, this gadget empowers the common people to take the necessary immediate action of either protecting themselves or killing the virus. The feasibility is also very high since these are very easy to carry and very easy to handle. Also, these glasses serve the role of a normal spectacle, hence you don't need to carry two different spectacles for two different purposes. This serves the most essential purpose of seeing the virus, which is the backbone of this entire idea. Also, it gives the ordinary people the power to control and stop the spread of this virus. The capital required could be a bit of problem since it can cost you around $1,000 to $5,000 and skilled manpower and technicians are required. The tech stack required is also not some rocket science. You just need complete knowledge of the EM spectrum, biological knowledge of the virus, and sound knowledge of computer softwares and programming languages. However, there are quite many limitations to the implementation of IDEA, and some of which are that long hours of exposure to radio waves and infrared waves can cause substantial damage. Also, the biological safety of far UVC light is still not guaranteed and it is still in the testing process. Cost is the most limiting factor, and virus on the surface can only be detected. That means if it is hiding inside a person, then probably it can't be detected.